Some big news coming in. Maharashtra government now urges citizens to use less electricity. Urges citizens to save electricity. In fact, Maharashtra government says shortage of a coal crisis itself is a serious issue right now. Maharashtra government further saying that 13 electricity generating units in the state have been already shut now due to shortage of coal. And also urges citizens to use less electricity between 10 a.m. and 6 a.m. Remember, there's been quite some controversy over coal shortage in the country. We're looking at several states, including Delhi and Punjab, who flagged off a coal crisis, saying that there could be an imminent power supply shortage. Maharashtra now flagging off. The government says or urges citizens to save electricity. In fact, the Maharashtra government says shortage of coal a serious issue. 13 electricity generating units in the state have been shut due to shortage of coal. Urges citizens to use less electricity between 10 a.m. and 6 a.m.
Hello viewers, this is Jogdan Geography reporting from a biofuel factory. जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह. Where there is a will, there is a way. इच्छा तिथे मार्ग. All over the world, coal reserves are depleting at faster rate. That's why number of industrialists, scientists have come up with innovative methods to replace the coal. That's why these agricultural stuff is used instead of the coal. That's why this is best from the west. Number of farmers in surrounding region, they grow the soybean crops, and the waste material of the soybean crop is utilized to make the biofuels. These are from biofuel is now used to make the block. Actually, they are called in Marathi gattu. Means first these soybean sticks, they are crushed into the small pieces and they are transported from the surrounding areas or agricultural fields to this factory, and after this they are stored here in the form of these like big hips, and after means transporting them here, they are transported to the main factory where they are converted into the block.
The current coal crisis is bringing India to the brink of a nationwide outage. Let's decode how we really got here and the way forward. So how bad is the shortage? Well, India is facing an unprecedented shortage of coal stocks across thermal plants in the country and subsequently staring at an impending power crisis. Electricity Authority of India data on the 5th of October, out of 135 thermal plants that use coal for power generation, 106 or nearly 80% are either in the critical or the supercritical stage. According to the CEA data, 16 of India's 135 coal-fired power plants had zero coal stocks as of the 29th of September. Over 80% of the plants had less than a week's stock left, while over half of them had stocks that would last fewer than just 3 days. This means they have stocks only for the next 6 to 7 days.
Now we will see how the agricultural waste, soybean crushed materials, sugarcane leaves, all these agricultural waste material is converted into briquettes. These are the briquettes. Now these are also called as the biofuels. Now these biofuels are used in various industries located in Maharashtra, Nashik, Aurangabad, and even in Nanded. Also, we have the Krishnur industrial states where such a biofuels are produced for the industry, and various industries in Maharashtra use these biofuels in their industry, like such as pharmaceutical industries. There are number of types of industries which use these blocks in their industry as a major source of industry. Now after this, let's shift our attention towards the machine where these biofuels are manufactured. First, the agricultural waste is put in this conveyor belt, and from that conveyor belt means these crushed materials, now they are converted into blocks or gattu or the briquettes. Now you can clearly see these gattus are manufactured here, and such after that they are broken into small pieces. These are the gattus. They are really very useful because coal reserves will last only 20 to 30 years, and that's why various industrialists in Maharashtra have come up with an innovative ideas or the solution to replace the coal. Now these gattus are the best solution to the coal, because we know coal reserves will finish within a short period of time, like 20 to 30 years. So we must be thankful to our scientists who have come up with such a fantastic solution. Let's be thankful. Jai Jawan, Jai Vigyan also. So these blocks now are used by the industrialists instead of coal. So that's why means human beings really they are very great. They have come up with fantastic solution. Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan. Now let us meet Ranjit Deshmukh, a young and dynamic industrialist. He has been running this briquette or the Gattu industry in Nanded district. He has completed his degree, and after completing degree, now he entered in this innovative industry of Gattu. Really, let's know from him about the industry. Let us learn about this industry.
Thank you for coming here. Actually, this is the product of natural product of from the agriculture waste. So what we do, we are doing like we are imported the agricultural waste from the farmers. For that, because of this, we generate the extra money for the farmers.
Yes, yes.
We give them money for this waste. If we don't collect it, then this is the completely waste for farmers.
Yes, yes.
They just burn it in their farms.
Yes.
So it is harmful for nature.
Yes.
As also this is the wastage for farmers, and for that we are giving them money. So this is the like second
Waste from the waste.
income source
Yes,
for them.
one more.
Extra, like this is
Extra.
not much, but like the 2,000, 5,000, and it
Yes.
gives them the like the for money for
Substitute.
substitute.
Means secondary occupation.
So this
Yes.
is the good thing for this from this project. Then when we collect this agriculture waste, like all agriculture waste, like the soybean waste, chana waste, tur waste, everything, sugarcane waste, everything. Then we collect here, and from this waste we
Make
produce
these blocks.
These blocks. This block called biomass briquettes, bio coal, white coal. There are few names for
Different
this.
names.
Okay, this is the like you show the production.
Yes, yes.
Viewers know the production, how to produce it.
Where do you send them after this?
Actually, this product is directly replacement for the white coal, black coal. Sorry, black coal. All this material is used in the after production. We send this material to the factory where the boilers. Yes, and where the black coal used in these boilers, our white coal used.
Instead of blocks are used to generate the energy for the industry. Really, sir, thank you. We are pleased to have you. Please subscribe my channel Jogdan Geography. Thank you, sir.
Subscribe.